That's right. Good job. Good eating. Then you chew it up. You put it in the bowl. That's right, we put it in the bowl. And we get a spoonful. We get some oatmeal on the spoon. There you go. And then you hold it in your hand and it goes in your mouth. That's right. That's right. Good job. Good job. That's right, here we go. In the bowl. And we get some oatmeal. We get some oatmeal. And then it goes in your mouth. Good job.